slack your rope, slack it for a while. I think I see my Father coming, riding many a mile. We've done some work with that song the past couple weeks, and we've discovered that there are 5 notes in that song, 5 different notes. La, do, re, mi, so. Let's sing that again from the bottom to the top, top to bottom. La with your hand signs, join me. La, do, re, mi, so, mi, re, do, la. And that scale has how many skips between it? 2 total skips between la and do and mi and so. When we have a scale that starts on low la and it has 2 skips, we call it a la pentatonic scale. Do pentatonic starts on do and has 5 notes, but there's only 1 skip. La pentatonic starts on la, has 5 notes, but 2 skips. That's the difference. Now let's sing gallows pole with our hand signs and solfege. Just the first phrase. La, 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 do, do, la. La, la, do, re, mi. So, so, mi, mi, do, do, la, la. La, la, do, 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 la. There are some other songs that you know that are in la pentatonic. Who killed Cock-Robin? Who killed Cock-Robin? I said the sparrow with my little bow and arrow. It was I, oh, it was I. Hand signs and solfege, that song. Mi, mi, re, mi, la, la. Re, 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 do, la, la. La, mi, 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 do, do, re, mi, re, do, la, 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 do, re, mi, re, do, la. And our final song that you know that is in la pentatonic is the Iroquois Lullaby. Ho, ho, watane, ho, ho, watane, ho, ho, watane, kaiokena, haiokena. Hand signs and solfege, nice and slow. Mi, mi, re, re, do, do, re, re, do, do, la, la, do, do, la, la, so, so, re, re, la, la, re, re, la, la. You notice the la pentatonic melodies seem to have a different feel than our do pentatonic. Isn't it wonderful to have lots of different styles and feelings in music?